The evolution of Earth from the Big Bang. Since the dawn of humanity, we have looked questioningly to the heavens with great interest and awe. We've called on the stars to guide us, and have made some of humanity's most interesting discoveries based on those observations. This also led us to question our existence and how we came to be in this moment in time. Most scientists believe the universe began in the Big Bang 14 billion years ago. The Big Bang was a massive explosion that produced two things, matter and energy. At the time of the Big Bang, the entire universe was compressed in a bubble thousands of times smaller than a pinhead. It was hotter and more dense than anything we can imagine. The universe grew and cooled, and eventually stars and galaxies formed. During a time span known as the Hadean Eon, our solar system formed within a large cloud of gas and dust. The Sun's gravitational pull brought together spatial particles to create the Earth and other planets, but they would take a long time to reach their modern forms. The Earth was formed about 4.6 billion years ago. The Earth at this time was very different to how we know it today. The current scientific hypothesis holds that our Moon was born of a calamitous giant impact. Shortly after the planets in our solar system formed, 4.5 billion years ago, Earth was a very different place, glowing red with rivers and seas of lava. The leading theory for the origin of the Earth-Moon system is also one of a giant impact of protoplanets. When the proto-Earth was forming, the theory goes, it was hit by another emerging protoplanet named Theia, about the size that Mars is today. The collision caused both planets to temporarily splatter apart into globs of gas, magma, volatiles and other chemical elements before reforming into the bodies we know today as the Earth and Moon. The formation of the Moon occurred at a location about 3 Earth radii away from the Earth, which is incredibly close compared to the current situation. Over time, the Moon has moved away from the Earth because of tidal dissipation and today is at 60 Earth radii. Scientists think that by 4.3 billion years ago, Earth may have developed conditions suitable to support life. The oldest known fossils, however, are only 3.7 billion years old. During that 600 million year window, life may have emerged repeatedly, only to be snuffed out by catastrophic collisions with asteroids and comets. The details of those early events are not well preserved in Earth's oldest rocks. Some hints come from the oldest zircons, highly durable minerals that formed in magma. Scientists have found traces of a form of carbon, an important element in living organisms, in one such 4.1 billion-year-old zircon. However, it does not provide enough evidence to prove life's existence at that early date.